Hello everyone and welcome to the world of Signet Public School of Hadapsar. Myself Trupti Dhadnekar from Signet Public School Hadapsar. Today I am here to share with you some valuable information about World Habitat Day. Let's start with the history of World Habitat Day. The day is also intended to remind the world that we all have the power and the responsibility to shape the future of our cities and towns. It was in 1986 that the United Nations first celebrated World Habitat Day. The host city was Nairobi and chosen theme for the year was Shelter is my right. What is the purpose of World Habitat Day? The day is a global observance day declared by the United Nations to be celebrated every year on the first Monday of October. The World Habitat Day is popularly celebrated in countries like Angola, China, India, Mexico, Poland, and the USA. On World Habitat Day, organizations from different parts of the world organize events. Nation of Blood is a great act of kindness. No matter where we go and what we do, home is always the best destination that we could ever have. Why do we celebrate World Habitat Day? The day is also intended to remind the world that we all have the power and the responsibility to shape the future of our city. All people should have good houses so that they stay dry when it rains. The best part of a home isn't the new things that are in it or technology that is there or so forth. Rather, it is the people who live in the home that make a real difference above all else. How is the day celebrated around the world? The day is celebrated in many countries around the world and various activities are organized to examine the problems of rapid urbanization and its impact on the environment and human poverty. The World Habitat Day is the theme for the World Habitat Day 2020 is Housing for All, a better urban future as a proper place to live has become important more than ever. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, a shelter has become a matter of life and death, as by staying inside homes, people can stop the virus from spreading as well as getting contaminated. Homes are important as they are extensions of who we are.